Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you for joining. So today's vlog is going to be a little different because I'm going to start adding more of our daily lives in a vlog, like during a week. The previous two vlogs that I posted was just a single day and what we kind of did in that day. But for those of you that do not know, I do work a full-time job. So it could be kind of hard for me to find enough content in only one day to produce and put into a video to make it interesting. So I'm just going to start showing what I'm doing in the course of days in a week. Because of course, working a full-time job, 8 hours a day during the week, it's hard to find time to go shopping and running around for the house, grabbing things for here and there when half my day is spent at work or working. So yeah, I'm gonna see how this works out. Of course, again, like if you have any suggestions, please put them down below. Things that you like to see or want to see, I would appreciate it because, like I said before, I'm literally doing this on a whim. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm doing it. So yeah, but so far this has been so fun for me. For those that are watching, I think it is just family and friends right now. But I mean, a win is a win. But yeah, it's this journey for 1 week so far has been so fun. I'm enjoying it so much. And even though it's only been 1 week, I feel like I've been doing it forever. So yeah, I'm just going to see where this goes. And for those of you watching, yeah, just stay tuned. Today, I'm just gonna do a little bit of cleaning around here after moving furniture and all of that. The house feels like it's a bit in shambles, so I'm just gonna tidy up. And yeah, at the end of the week, I'm gonna be going to West Elm, a few other shops to get some stuff for the living room. So let's see how the rest of this week goes. And yeah, let's get to it. Bye.
Seems like ever since the first day we met, there is no one else I think of more than you. Can't seem to forget, can't get you out my head. Guess the verdict's in, I'm crazy over you. How can one be down? Tell me where to start, 'cause every time you smile, I feel tremors in my heart. I have but one concern, I cannot get with you till my day comes. Here's what I'm gonna do.
Check it.
Yeah, show up in my room, thinking about you. I must confess, I'm a mess.
One of the best, and I mean best, feelings in the world is a clean house. After all that work of cleaning and tidying and mopping and vacuuming, all of that, the reward is so nice when you get to just lay out and relax. Ooh, it just feels so wonderful. Well, it's almost wonderful because I still have to clean all of this. Well, it's not that bad. It's actually not that bad. It's not that bad. It's really funny because um my husband, he always jokes around that I am the type of person that likes our house to look as if nobody lives here. Am I the only one that feels that way? Because I think that might be true. I like it to be comfortable and I like to relax and things like that. But I still want it to look like nobody nobody lives here. I don't know what my problem is. I am a bit of a clean freak. I just like things to be nice and tidy. Now, of course, we do have to live in reality. It can't always be tidy, but hey, I mean, it is what it is. I made like this, so I can't help it. And I think it's a good thing. I think it's a good thing when you like to keep things nice, nice and clean. But yeah. So right now I am just I think I'm gonna turn down. It's about 9 p.m. Waiting on Buddy to get back home. He left out for a bit. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. But I guess this video isn't over yet because obviously I have a few more days this week and I'm going to be posting what we did. I don't know. I have to start getting Buddy to make some cameos on these vlogs. He is he's not camera shy, but he's like, no, I'm not here for it. Like, do your thing. He's very supportive, but he's like, no. But I think, I think I'll be able to get him to, warm up to it and just join in a little bit more. So yeah, and he loves design just as much. Well, I don't know if he loves it just as much as I do, but he does enjoy it like I do. So, of course, when there's anything concerning design with our home, he's gonna certainly be involved. All right, y'all. So, guess where we're finally gonna go? I'm going to West Elm. So, yeah, we're heading to West Elm. Well, not we're. I am. I don't know. I don't know what I'm even going for, but I've just been wanting to go for a while now just to see what they have. So hopefully they have a few things that I want. I do want to get a bar cart for my dining room, and I don't want it for like alcoholic drinks or anything like that. I actually want to make a makeshift like candy bar, so to speak. So right here, as you can see in my shelves, I have a ton of these like glass canisters. They're so cute. I have all different sizes. I have one right here. I have another one just like that one back there. I have some more in that cabinet over there. And so I really don't put them in use. And so since I'm going to be replacing these things, I was like, yeah, I could probably just make a cute little candy bar or something. I want to get some gold like hot chocolate bombs since they're pretty large, because these things are big. Like, you can fit a lot in these. You can fit a ton of stuff in there. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. Of course, I want to get a gold bar cart. So I wonder if they will have something like that there. I don't think they will, but we'll see. I did see a couple on Wayfair, so I'll probably end up just buying it from offline because then I can find exactly what I want, but we will see. Yeah, other than that, not much planned today. All right, guys, so I just made it down here, about to go into West Elm, just chilling in the car a little bit. I just love being down here. It's so pretty down here and festive right now. Ooh, little lights and everything. Oh, it's so cute. But anyway, let's head into these stores. I don't know what else is down here, but I do want to go into a few shops. So yeah, let's see what I find. I actually hope I get a few things. Now, ladies, you already know how husbands can be. I already know Buddy's gonna be upset if I walk in the house with some more stuff, but I really don't care. I do care, but I really don't. But I do. But I don't. But I do. I wanna be down with you. Down with you inside. Oh, yeah. It's true. I wanna be down. Made it to West Elm, as you guys saw not too long ago. I think I did a little snippet of the store. But here is the bag. I only got 2 things, and they're 2 of the same things. But yeah, they had a lot of cute stuff there, and I think I'm gonna go back Saturday because I didn't go until pretty late today, and I just didn't have a lot of time to really look around. But they have a lot of cute stuff, and they had a really good sale going on. A lot of stuff was like 40% off, so I'm definitely going to be going back soon. But yeah, I just wanted to show you what I got. So, and I don't even know if I'm going to keep them though. They're beautiful, but I don't know if they match what I have here. But yeah, I just bought these beautiful vases. They had a lot to choose from. They are originally $50 each, and I think I got them 30% off, 30 or 40% off. I paid, I think, like $37 and some change for them. But yeah, they're these very large vases. I was talking to the attendant or the customer service rep there, and we were kind of talking about like what we could do to style it around the house, and she had a really cute idea to put them on your stairs or just line them up somewhere. I was thinking it might be nice to put them around the Christmas tree. Depending on how large your table is, I could put them on the table. But yeah, I don't think putting on my stairs would work just because I don't have enough of them. But yeah, they're absolutely gorgeous. What you use, you want to put a candle in them. I think on the bottom it actually says you can only use, you can only use flameless LED candles, but these are glass, and I'm pretty sure you can use any type of candle. You can use a live candle if you want to. So I don't know if the lighting works in here because it's kind of bright, but I'm gonna put a candle in here with y'all here to see what it looks like. Because yeah, we should both see what it looks like. But I don't have a full, like one of the tall candles right now. I can always go ahead and pick some up, but I have a lot of these floating candles laying around from our wedding a few years ago. So I'm just gonna place this in there just to kind of get an idea of what the lighting would look like in these. And I'm gonna turn the light off, so let's see. Okay. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Okay, so this is what it looks like. That's gorgeous. Okay, I might keep these. Okay, because at first I was like, yeah, it's not cute when I brought it home, but lit up, that's real cute. And then I have these also for my wedding, a bunch of glass vases. So I'm gonna try to sit it up on top of something just so I can see what it looks like higher up, with the flame a little higher up. Yeah, that's so cute. I think these will be really cute around my Christmas tree. But I just don't know what I would do with them throughout the year, but I'm sure I could find something to do with them. But yeah, those are really, really gorgeous. Yeah, so I think I am gonna keep them. I think I got a good buy. Under $40 for these, that's not bad. So I'm going to style those. Of course, I'm gonna show you guys how I style them. But yeah, hopefully this video turns out good. I'm still learning this whole vlogging thing. I feel like every video I post for the next few weeks, I'm going to let you guys know I'm still learning this vlogging thing because I don't want you guys to judge me too much. But yeah, so here we are. Been working on the home series and kind of just brainstorming how that's going to work out. But what I think I'm going to end up doing is start with our kitchen, because we pretty much gutted our kitchen too when we first purchased our home. So yeah, I'd like to show you guys how that process went, what companies we used, some of the things you should look out for if you're doing the same thing yourself. So I'm gonna start there. I don't have video footage, but I do have a lot of photos that we took so you can see befores and afters. So yeah, I'm gonna talk about that, and then I'm gonna go on to our master bathroom after they complete it, because I want to just make everything seamless. So you'll probably just catch a few things here and there, snippets of the bathroom in a vlogs for now, but eventually I'm gonna get that full video done for the bathroom once that's finished, especially because I have a few exciting things. Well, I'm excited about it because there are a few nice changes that we're actually going to be having in there. So yeah, but I'm just gonna go ahead and close the video out here. Again, I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but bear with me, I'm learning. But yeah, again, just thank you for watching. I appreciate anybody who takes the time out to even watch a second of what I post or what I have to say, because hey, you don't have to do it. So I just want to thank you for that, and have a great night or a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.